put those back together, you're taking it out quite quickly. Well, that?
If it doesn't work, maybe try to get a new shed board or new bearings.
Where?
Do they sell them at hardware stores?
I just told you I don't think so. Still went to specialized stores. I don't know where they are in Hong Kong. That's why it's good to know to speak Cantonese.
But just to be safe, I'm going to do this while. Wait, where's the fan? I'm going to do this while it's turned on, just to be safe.
What?
Just to be safe, I'll just put the.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to. Oh. Might as well clean this, huh?
Wait, yeah, well.
Wait.
But you might as well. Just wait. Wait, where's the ball?
Wait, we haven't cleaned it yet.
I mean, I'm just testing it. You might as well. There.
So it looks like you aren't fixing it. Come on, take it out then, please.
Where's the pliers?
Are you videoing?
Yeah. Put more oil in just to be
My voice
safe.
is gonna be in there.
Put more oil in just to be safe, maybe.
Not too much, Katana. You can also put too much. Not too much, sweetheart. That's enough, I think. No, please.